Now if we want to see the profit by geography, then we need to click on the country here, and after then we need to click on the profit. But before clicking this one, I just would like to show you one thing. Then when you go to file and go to option and setting, go to option, then you will find one option that should be checked here. So under the security, that you need to see that map and field map visuals. If this is checked, only then you will be able to see the country's map. Otherwise, that you won't be able to see. So make sure this is checked, and if it is not, then you have to check it. So now in this case, that what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on the country as well as profit. So by clicking on the country and the profit, that you find this information, right? So you can drag this information anytime if you want, and you can make it more visualized, and you can create a big picture. So that the moment that you change here, right, so then you will be able to see this data. So here that we have this big bubbles. So when you are going to uh, hover your mouse pointers on these bubbles or circle, that you will be able to see the sum of profit over there, right? So like this, along with the name of the country, right? So look at this. So now this is that what we have done. We have just calculated and visualized the profit by geography. Now the same thing that we can convert into the tree map. So tree map information is here, that you can see here tree map. So whatever the visual that you have selected, if you would like to convert it to the tree map, just click on the tree map. Then you will see that this information is converted automatically. So this is the beauty of the Microsoft Power BI, that you will be able to make most of the function in just clicking the one button. So again, that you want to go to this one, that map, then you will be able to see map here, like this one. So now if we want to insert some tables, then we can insert table as well. So just I'm just going to make a little bit short and click on the white area, right? Then we have some information. This is matrix and this is table. Just by clicking on the table, that you will find this table over here. So I'm just going to make a little bit large so that you will be able to see this, right? So this is the table that we have, but this is the empty table. So what I want a country, population, and a unit sale. So this is the area. Like first of all, I want here country, right? So click on the country here. Then I want a population. So here the population data is also available, right? So I'll click on the population. Then I want a unit sold. So now in this case, what I want to see that the unit that are sold, and in those countries, and what is the total number of population, that also we want to see. So in this way, that we have seen this data in a very short and very easy way. Now this is the table, that how to use a table here. Now next, that we can see more information. Just I'm just going to reduce it one, and by just click on the white area. And now here what I want to see, I want to see the profit by product. So if I want to see the profit by product, then it's very simple. Just click on the product and as well as the profit. That's it. So in this way, that I will be able to see the profit by product. So I'm just going to make a short little bit. I'm just going to enlarge so that you should be able to see it. Just look at this, that we have this information. We have a number of products. So all these products that we have, and so from all these products, that you will be able to see the total sum of profit along with the name of the product over here. So once this information is available, then if you just want to go insert one slicer, so that is really very useful. How, what is slicer, and what are the benefit of this? I'm just going to explain it. So look at this, that we have this data available, right? So in this case, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click once again on the white area, right? So once you click here, then we have this option available, slicer. So the click on the slicer, and then you will be able to see that this blank slicer is here. So in this, what I want just country name. So the country name, this is the country. So that we see that there are 5 countries, that the Canada, France, Germany, Mexico, and United States. So I'm just going to make a little short. Okay, so now in this case, if for example that if I click on Canada, then you will see that the old data, all these visuals, that is going to change as per the country I have selected. Let's say I select France, so the data is changing as that you click on the slicer, right? So if you want to select all, just keep on pressing the control button, and with the help of a mouse pointer or mouse, that you will be able to select all the name of the countries, right? So now what you can do, how we can change look and feel. So we can change this look by just going to the view. So we have this option here, click on the view, and we have a number of themes available. So what are the themes that you want to see? It all depends upon you, right? So here, like, number of themes are here. Let's say click on any of the themes. If for example if I click on this, then this theme, the entire theme has changed, right? So if I would like to change some other, like the black one, this is just a blue shade. If I want to click it, then the theme is already changed here. So in this way, how to change just themes best, and change look and feel. Now then we can do some more functions, like how to change the format. What we can do, just click the line uh, uh, click the line diagram here, and you will see that under visualization, the click on this, then you will see under the visualization, you will see number of options. Specifically, that when you go to the journal, right? So here that you will see here, this information is here, and we have the format visuals, right? So click on the format visual, we have x-axis, then y-axis, that you can see the grid lines, you can see, right? So once that you click on the grid lines, that you will be able to see the grid lines as well. See, look at this, the horizontal, on and dotted, and the colors. So let's change this color to maybe the dark blue, right? And points a little bit more, right? So you see, look at this, that these grid lines changes, that you can see under the horizontal, right? And if you look at this, the vertical, if you click on the vertical dotted, so let's see, it's a solid line if you want. So click on the solid line. So let it be, maybe uh, click on the more colors, and click on the red one. Then you can see, click on more, then red, right? Then you can go with this, let's see, blue, and you will see all these grid lines in the vertical, right? So if we don't want the vertical and horizontal, that what you can do, just you can click on the reset to default, right? So these are the extra features that you can explore very easily. Now so what we can do, we our reports are ready, right? So we can just move anytime, anywhere. So these reports are ready. So how to import uh, export this data, right? So it means how to publish this report. So to publish this report, that what you can do, you can see on the left hand side of file, and go to file, and you will find here publish. So the moment that you click on the publish, then what will happen, then click on the publish to the Power BI. So there will be a Power BI service. So then whatever the data that you have saved here, that will be published over it. So do you want to save your changes? Yes, I want to change. I want to save these changes. So here, let's say I am just want to save on the on the download section, and here that I'm just going to write here RJ financials, or you can write RJ daily financials, right? So the PBIX is the extension for this file. So I want to change it. Click on the save button, and that file is saved. So now here Microsoft Power BI desktop, there are the pending changes in the query that has not been applied. Do you want to apply to them? Yes, I want to apply. So click on apply. If there are some modification done at the time of loading of data, so that can be implemented and applied here right now. So now, so next option that we will find here to publish data. So here, so how to publish reports? So click on the file, then we'll find here publish, right? So that option was already working. Okay, so here the select a destination. So no need to select any destination, just click on my workspace and select. The moment that you click on the select, then you will find here. Okay, so as you go back, okay, so the first of all that what you need to do, this is already published, right? So once that you have published, what you can do, click on the open RJ Daily Financial Power BI in Power BI. So once you click it here, what you will find, you will find the service, right? For this one that you need to log in. For example, that I'm just going to log in to this one, then sign. So what you will find that whatever the reports that you have created, so that exactly the same report that you will be able to see. And next, if you want to share this report, then you can share this report by clicking on a share button. So share, when you click on the share button, the people in your organization with the link can view and share. So here, if I click on this, in your organization, or maybe people with existing access, or specific people. So what I want that the people in your organization, right? So here I click on this and allow recipient to share this report. It means that I am also allowing and the people who will receive this report, they will be able to share this report to any other person. And if I click on this allow recipient to build content with the data associated with this report, they can make some modification or something like that. I don't want. If I click on apply, so then this will be applied. So now here that for example that I'm just going to write someone else's name, then let's say just I have written here Raman, or maybe the students, let's see, I'm just going to write it here Raman Sidhu, right? And I'm just going to send it. So once that I send it, so it means this email will be sent to one of the students, right? So here like this, it means that I have shared this report. And let's say that I want to share this report to someone else. Just click on this, and here that let's say I'm just going to write here one address. Yeah, let's look at this. Yeah, so let's say that I'm going to send this report at this particular address, and uh, let's see that I, the moment I click on the send button, that report will be sent as that I send to someone else. Now another option is also the copy link. So when I click on the copy link, the link will be copied, and I will be able to send this link to number of people that I want, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to send this first. I click on this, the information is sent, right? I cross this once again. Now what I want, I'm just going to click here, and let's see, I'm going to open my Gmail account. Then let's see here. Okay, so now what I can see that one file which I sent just now, that I have received it here. So by just clicking on this, that I will be able to see this report here, and click on open this report. So the person who has received this file will be able to open this report, provided that person should have account in the Microsoft. By clicking on the Microsoft account, then the person will be able to see exactly the same report that was sent. So this information that is not available, why? Because that other person may not be having those feature enabled, right? So when those features will be enabled, then this information will be displayed, and the rest of the information that you can see. Even that person is just going to make some changes here, and then click by clicking on this, that the person will be able to see this data very easily. So this is just a user friendly interaction with the data. So this is that how we have used a number of function in Power BI, and we have learned a lot of things by using uh, and it's a very drag and drop and very friendly features.